You have built a Power BI dashboard using Dynamics 365 data and intend to distribute it to team members. Identify three methods for sharing this dashboard. Each selection represents a valid way to accomplish this task. Option A, set up a Power BI workspace and provide access rights to team members. Option B, distribute the dashboard to your colleagues by publishing it as an app.
Option C. Migrate the data to the common data service so others can create their own reports. Option D. Save the underlying data as an Excel file for users to manually upload into Power BI. Option E. Incorporate the dashboard into the organization's private website via embedding. The core challenge here is understanding the various collaboration and sharing features available within the Power BI ecosystem. We need to distinguish between mechanisms that allow users to consume interactive reports directly versus processes that simply move data around.
We're looking for the official methods provided by the Power BI service to facilitate team access.
In my view, the correct answers are options A, B, and E. Option A is correct because you can invite team members to a dedicated Power BI workspace and grant them roles like member or contributor, allowing direct access. Option B is also correct, as publishing a report or dashboard as an app is the standard and scalable approach for distributing content to a large group of users. Finally, option E is correct because Power BI lets you embed these assets into internal portals or websites, keeping the experience integrated.
Options C and D are incorrect in this context. These choices focus on migrating raw data or manually sharing files, rather than providing access to the live, interactive Power BI dashboard interface itself. When you are approaching exam questions like this, always focus on whether the method preserves the interactivity and central management features of Power BI, rather than just moving the underlying data source.